Hello, in this video um, I will be showing how to add mouse movement in a 3D scene. So the whole code is based on the code from Learn OpenGL from Joey de Vries. So go there if you want the full detailed explanation. We will be using GLFW as our window manager. Right now we have our 3D scene with only keyboard movement, and we're going to add a mouse movement. So here is our 3D scene with only keyboard movement, and we will be adding mouse movement. So let's go to the code. First off, we will be creating the variables related to the mouse. The first is first mouse as true. Yaw, beach, float last x, and then we get the screen width and we divide it by 2. Last y, we get the screen height and also divide it by 2, and the field of view of 45. Okay, so these are the variables we'll be working with. As we're using GLFW, we will be using some callback functions. Double expose, and double ypos, and another void function. X offset and double y offset. Okay, these are the two callback functions. So now we add the callback functions, and we can add them here just below set frame buffer size callback. Cursor plus callback, window, mouse, callback, GLFW, W, set, scroll, callback, window, scroll, callback. Okay, there we have it. Now we need to tell GLFW to capture our mouse by writing the function input code window GLFW cursor and just the cursor is equal. Okay. Now we're going to define our two functions. The mouse callback function is a little big, but we'll have to write it. So let's start with void. I think I'm just going to copy it by this. Now let's copy the whole thing. Here. So float x pos. No, we're going to make a static cast. We're going to change to in. And y pos in. X pos in. Float y pos static cast. The same thing, but with y pos in. If first mouse, we're going to check if first mouse is true. Last x and x pos. Last y receives y pos. And first mouse receives false. Okay. We're going to create internally float x offset x pos is equal last x and y offset is equal float y offset is equal last y is equal y pos. Last x is equal x pos and last y is equal y pos. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to set the sensitivity. Sensitivity is equal 0.1 f. And x offset is equal sensitivity receives sensitivity x offset receives x offset times sensitivity. And y offset receives y offset times sensitivity. Yaw receives yaw plus x offset, and pitch is equal y pitch, right, plus y offset. And we check if pitch is greater than 89.0 f. Pitch is equal 89. So we lock it in. If pitch if pitch is less than minus 89.0 f. Pitch is equal minus 89.0 f. Okay, so you just lock it, and then to finish it off, finally we have, by the way, we're using GLM as our math library. Front dot x is equal cosine, and then you convert yaw to radians and multiply it by cosine GLM radians pitch front y sine radians pitch sine of and receives radians of pitch radian or radians, I don't know, is radian. We're converting it to radians, and front dot c equals sine GLM radians of yaw cosine of pitch. Okay, and camera front, and then we put it all to camera front because this will be passed to our camera lookat function. Camera front okay, we normalize the front. Okay, so we're going to be manipulating the front. Okay, so our mouse callback is done, and then we have the scroll callback for our zoom in, zoom out functionality. Scroll. Let me just copy it because I just already typed it. Field of view. Apply offset. If field of view is less than 1.0 f, field of view will receive 1.0 f, and if field of view is greater than 45.0 f degrees, right? Field of view is equal 45.0 f. So we're manipulating the field of view variable. Okay, that's it. That's about it. Let's compile. Let's see if we make any mistake. We didn't. And let's run. Okay, there we have it. This is being manipulated by the mouse. So now we have mouse functionality in our 3D scene. We can to be honest with you guys, only the scroll in and scroll out is not working for some reason. Let me check why. Okay, because I made a mistake. Okay, let's compile it again. And I forgot. Oh, okay, what did I did wrong? Float by offset. Let's see if I save it. Save all. Build it. The scroll is not working. Hmm. Ah, okay, it's because I'm not passing the field of view to my projection matrix. Yeah, so I have to pass this. It's interesting because, yeah, I have to put this like this. Okay, sorry, no, still not fucking, it's not working for some reason. Why not working? Scroll callback. Let's scroll callback. Let's scroll callback. It's not working. Let me see why. Let's see if it's having some. Oh, 100. That's so weird. So if I put 45, ah yeah, because it needs to be float. Okay. Yes, field of view is kind of altering, but for some reason I think the callback's not being called. Let me check. Yes, it is being called. Okay, let me see what is y offset. Mm, it's -1 and 1. View to view receives view to view. I think what's happening is that it's working, but no, it's not working at all. It's not changed the field of view. Very weird. -1. Ah, okay. That's the problem because I need to put the projection matrix. I need to put the projection matrix in the loop. Okay, I didn't want to do that, but I have to do that. Okay. So this whole thing needs to be together with here. I can use this uh, here. Okay, now it's gonna work. Now I have zoom in, zoom out, and I have mouse movements. So that's it. Thank you guys. Uh, thank you for watching. Bye.